dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
The Edo State chapter of the All Progressive Congress on Thursday tackled Governor Godwin Obaseki's state brokers on Wednesday over the nationwide protest on end to bad government, accusing him of using the nation's economic challenges to divert attention from his poor performance as the governor of Edo State. My people don't be small wege. Moving on after this, we have Senator representing Edo Central Senatorial District and the governorship candidate of the All Progressive Congress in Edo State, Senator Mondo Obolo, appealed to the people of Edo State and other Nigerians to shun acts of violence in their protests against government. But guys, before I go bring the full matter on give on, I go like welcome on to my wonderful channel Reality Latest Gist, as we are giving a back-to-back update and information as it dey hot. If today your first time to join our wonderful channel, I beg may you like, subscribe and share, but don't forget the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the channel latest news happening on social media. To all our message subscribers, thank you so much for joining. So my people, may we dive into the main story. The Edo State chapter of the All Progressive Congress tackled Governor Godwin Obaseki's state brokers on Wednesday over the nationwide protest on end to bad governance, accusing him of using the nation's economic challenges to divert attention from his poor performance as the governor of Edo State. The acting chairman of the APC, PR0T3STERS, in a press briefing, said that Governor Godwin Obaseki has not accounted for the various financial grants and other palliative his administration has received from the federal government. Because right now, the Edo State All Progressive Congress has noticed with concern the unfortunate plan by Governor Godwin Obaseki and his faction of the People's Democratic Party to frustrate the genuine effort of the federal government to considerably reduce the impact of economic hardship on Nigerians, especially here in Edo State. The said that if you check and we go see, say, Edo people watch Obaseki in disbelief during his hurriedly put together state brokers, how in his 8-minute speech, he refused to acknowledge or give accounts of the various financial grants and other palliative his administration has received from the federal government. Instead, as usual, he wobbled and fumbled while struggling to blame his failure on his imaginary frictional story of plan by APC to tackle government institution in Edo State. So once again, they want to reiterate that Obaseki has lost his position as the chief security officer of Edo State, having threatened to burn down Nigeria if the police goes ahead to arrest the talks he sponsored to murder Police Inspector Anoako, the security details that was attached to Senator Mondo Obolo. That Governor Godwin Obaseki lacks the character and honesty to address Edo people at this critical period in Nigeria. That for the avoidance of doubt, they are once again calling on the Edo people to hold Governor Godwin Obaseki responsible for the hardship in Edo State. My people, don't be small matter, including the collapse of physical infrastructure across the state. They said the various initiatives put in place by the federal government have been frustrated by Governor Godwin Obaseki and PDP in Edo State. That, for instance, the federal government extended relief in the transportation sector, where citizens from states with rail lines were directed to pay 50% of transport fares at selected private transportation companies in Edo State for a specific period. But Governor Godwin Obaseki collected the reimbursement from the federal government for service that were not provided on the pretense of free ride by Edo City Transport Service. I will not be small matter. These people just did on Governor Godwin Obaseki's neck. Actually, Governor Godwin Obaseki say him be the kind of person we say he no like announce the work where they do for Edo State. But APC want make it they announce the work one after the other that he did this, he did that. But that is the thing that Edo people need, and he have to do it for them. That they should go and read his manifesto. All the things he said in his manifesto, he did all. So you don't know the one where we say APC just they come out with so many propaganda to tarnish his image. Governor Godwin Obaseki and his PDP in Edo State had earlier commended President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for the decision to remove fuel subsidy and floating of the naira. So many people, all these things we say Obaseki they do, most people will be say they know the right thing, are saying the truth. But APC, they come out, they talk, say, he no get anything we Governor Godwin Obaseki do for them. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. Senator representing the Edo Central Senatorial District and the governorship candidate of the All Progressive Congress in Edo State, Mondo Obolo, appealed to the people of Edo State and other Nigerians to shun out of violence in their protests against government. Monday Obobolo, in his statement released by his campaign office, condemned Edo State government for supporting the violent protests against the federal government and the APC in the state at a time. Other state governors were working around the clock to prevail on the youth to shun violent protests. But Edo State no be like that. Rather, they support them, say they go out, go contest against President Bola Tinubu when they know fully well that he's really working, that they should give him more time. My people don't be small, but the statement also said that intelligence reports on Wednesday evening had revealed that the state government was mobilizing some hoodlums with money, 5,000 naira each, to join the planned protest. So Senator Monday Obobolo said he wants to appeal to the people to give President Bola Tinubu time as the process of rebuilding Nigeria has started on a good note, that within the short time that he has been in office as president, that President Bola Tinubu has done much. And a lot of people are saying it. So they should give him more time, that he's going to rebrand Nigeria again. My people will be small matter. He said the courage of President Bola Tinubu to fight the oil subsidy cabals and the historic local government autonomy are exemplary feats of his administration. My people will be small matter. While condemning the destruction of the billboard of Senator Monday Obobolo campaign and other properties in Edo State by hoodlums, the campaign office noted that the only thriving industry now in the state was Togri. The campaign office, however, advised the governor to focus on improving the lives of the people and employ more teachers in the school instead of engaging in unnecessary political battles using the state resources. My people don't be small matter. When the Obobolo campaign office called on Governor W0ong Obaseki to account for the over 500 billion loan he has accumulated over times without any infrastructure nor any visible development to show in the state. He said, make Governor W0ong Obaseki no forget to, because they are aware that a warehouse was also burgled in Urura area near Benin City by the protesters and several bags of rice looted. APC they talk say that rice was from the federal government for the people of Edo State, but the PDP government kept the bag of rice in a secret warehouse with the intention to rebag them and sell to unsuspecting public. He said this is part of the corruption that has put the Edo State in a very deplorable situation. My people don't be small castle between PDP and APC. They don't agree for each other. So because I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions in our comment section. I would love to hear from you once again. Thank you so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to our page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the channel latest news happening on social media. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way, stay safe, guys.